how to add another company to your QuickBooks account. So right here, I've just Google searched for QuickBooks login, and just make sure you follow the steps carefully because it's kind of confusing. So right here, I'm just going to click on login, and then I will choose sign in here. So after I have clicked on sign in, then what's important is this: we need to create a new account. Although we already have an account, I'm going to show you how we're going to connect those. So we're going to click on create an account here, and I'm just going to go to the EU site. If you're from the US, you don't have to do this, but basically you will choose another subscription here, but we're just gonna use the free trial for it. So let's say I want to use this one, simple start free trial here. So I've selected the thing here, and now it's going to take us to this page where we have to create a new account. But actually, you will see this. Already have an account here, sign in, one account connected to everything into it, including QuickBooks. So if we're gonna click on sign in here, or if we click, then we are simply going to log in with our account here. So I'm going to click on sign in, and I'll type out my password here. And I'm going to click on continue. Make sure that your password is correct. And now that I've logged into my account from the creation, you will see this: choose your company. I already have one company, but I want to create a new one. So this is the important part. I've just clicked on create new company here, and it will take us through the company creation page here. So I'm just going to give it some time to load up. I'm going to come back in a second. Never mind, it's done. So welcome, we're glad you're here. Here's what you want to do. Click on next. What's your legal name? I'm going to do my channel name here, like so. Next, industry, let's do education and training. Next, sole trader. Next, which apps? I'm going to do Shopify, Excel. Next, skip for now. I'm going to set up invoices to get paid. Click on next again, and I'm gonna skip for now. Next, link your accounts and see everything in one place. So securely link your bank or credit cards. No, I'm going to skip those for now as well. Skip. I just want to show you that this actually works. Next, and now it's gonna set this up, building the dashboard. And if I click on let's go now, as you can see, now I have created a new account here. And if I click on the cogwheel now, you will see the option to switch company. So if I click on switch company, then it will show me both of my companies here, and I can choose between whichever one I would like to access. So that's how you add another company in QuickBooks. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.